Hello. So I have an update now for you guys. We will be focusing in reviving Amadeo Cavite, and I'm here now in my car, and we're doing the grocery. But I just want to give you some updates that starting tomorrow we will be reaching out to people in the town there in Amadeo. So we're talking about farmers, business owners there, the LGUs, local government unit, and then so on and so forth, because I don't want to mention everything in specifics, because it's gonna be like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 approach. But definitely we'll be reaching out to farmers. Now, since we are based in Manila, we will be reaching out also to the people here in Manila, because a lot of them want to be involved in reviving Amadeo, because Amadeo is known as the coffee capital of the Philippines, for those who don't know, and we want to bring that back in some way. Okay, another thing is we want to reintroduce, or to some introduce, the Liberica, or the Philippine Liberica. Okay, it's popularly called as Kapeng Barako, or Philippine Barako. Okay, so we'll be doing a lot of scientific approach also on that, not only through farming but also through processing and roasting. So again, that's a lot of different groups of people that will be involved. Okay, so I'm excited to this. Finally, we have decided on which part of the Philippines are we gonna focus on, and it's gonna be a group effort, and we need each and everyone's help, not just with the experts but also from you guys, those who are working 9 to 5, or those who are students. There's no exemption, anyone can get involved, because this is a inspiring project, and we'll be helping a lot of people with this program. Okay, so yeah, we made up our mind, and we're gonna focus on Amadeo, and it's gonna be like a uphill climb, but with your help it's gonna be like a smooth transition. Okay, more to follow tomorrow.